hot minute since we've done this.
I know. It's kind of like, does it feel weird?
Just a little bit,
Just
but
a little bit weird.
Well, weird, but not weird.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Hi, everybody, and welcome to Bob and Kelly's
Martini Monday.
There we go. So what are we going to do on Mondays?
Mondays, we will have a brand new martini for you guys. We're going to mix it up every single Monday of the month, and we are going to have a theme.
For the month.
For the whole month.
For the month.
Yeah. So this month's theme is going to be what?
Citrus.
Salute to citrus.
Our salute to citrus.
Yeah. So since it is summer, it is the first Monday in June, we thought we would kick Martini Mondays off with citrus martinis.
Because they're so light, refreshing, they're not too heavy.
Right.
You know, and we love martinis.
We do. Martinis are our favorites, and that's why we decided to do strictly just martinis.
Yeah.
And you guys would be surprised at how many different kinds and variations of martinis there are out there. There's a ton.
Usually the one thing in common with martinis is they're pretty simple. There's very few ingredients. They're usually made with vodka or gin. And
or sometimes there's cream-based martinis.
Yeah, some cream-based martinis, but
Right.
you know, that's just because I know there are martini purists out there.
Right, we are gonna kind of take creative license with martinis and do, you know, what martinis we like. And like I said before, we're gonna kind of design our monthly martinis to either the season or theme or something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, so what are we gonna make today?
Today we are gonna make a classic lemon drop martini.
I'm super excited about this one. I love a lemon drop martini.
When's the first time you had one, do you remember?
I had a lemon drop martini the very first time at the Broadmoor bar before my mom and I flew to London.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's pretty
three
special.
of them, and
Okay.
I remember-
You don't remember much, do you?
I don't remember much, but I remember they were damn good.
Okay, good.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna get started, and there's just 4 simple ingredients and a lemon drop, and we're gonna start off with the first one.
Yep.
Vodka. And by the way, these measurements are for 2, and they're for 2 5-ounce martinis.
Right. Are you gonna put the ice in first or after?
After.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the in them.
We are pre-chilling our glasses.
Yeah, which is a good way to do that. Just put the ice in
Yeah,
there.
just so your glass is nice and cold. And then while Bob shakes her up, I am going to be sugaring the rims of our glasses.
So we're gonna need 6 ounces of vodka. I'm using citrus vodka. You can use regular vodka if you want to.
Yeah. Citrus or regular. We prefer citrus vodka. We use it a lot.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
There's 1. These are
that's
2 ounce
two. That's a
measures.
2 ounce
That's
measure.
2, 4,
So excited for this one.
6.
Okay.
Okay, that's for that. Here,
I'll
would you like
take
to take
that.
that? Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you, my lovely assistant. And we're gonna need 2 ounces of Cointreau. It calls for Cointreau, but that's an orange liqueur. So we're using a homegrown orange liqueur
Yeah, we're supporting a local distillery that's right here in our town.
called Lee
Lee
Spirits.
Spirits. We just found this.
I didn't even know. I didn't either. I know they made gins,
Yeah.
but yeah, this is good. And I tasted it, and it's really good.
Oh, you did?
I did.
Yeah, so you can either use Cointreau or you can use triple sec. So they're both
Either one.
They're both
They're
orange
kind of
flavored
citrusy.
liqueurs. Yeah.
So anyway, we take 2 ounces of this.
And I thought it was kind of weird that you use an orange flavored liqueur in a lemon drop. I would have thought it would be all lemon all the time, but
That's what I thought too, but
that's what the recipe calls
obviously
for.
not.
Obviously not.
So then, and we need 2 ounces of lemon juice. So far we've got 8 ounces of stuff in there.
This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. I used 1.5 lemons to get 2 ounces. They were pretty decent size.
And we got 2 ounces of lemon juice.
Okay, cool.
And just to sweeten it up just a little bit, we're gonna use simple syrup.
Okay, I made this simple syrup this morning. If you guys don't know how to do simple syrup, it is very simple. So it's 1-to-1 ratio. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. You heat it up until the sugar dissolves, basically,
Yep,
and
that's
then let it sit and cool.
That's simple syrup.
Yep.
So we need,
Simple.
this is a 2 teaspoon. We need 4 teaspoons.
4 teaspoons of simple
This
syrup.
is a 2 teaspoon measure, so
Okay.
2 of these.
Dose of those.
This is very thick too. It's
Yeah.
really weird. 1,
So that'll kind of cut the tartness
just a little bit,
of
yes.
the martini down just
Stir
a
it
little
around,
bit.
just
Okay.
get it all up there. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm gonna take the ice that's in our martini glass and put it in the shaker.
So we can shake her up.
And you
then
can dump that one in the sink. 'cause
Okay.
I don't have enough ice already.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this bad boy.
Put my little shaker top on. And while I'm shaking, she's gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna use the butts of the lemon to wet the rims of the lemon. We have a lemon squeezer that looks like this, and then you get kind of a round lemon butt out of it. So I'm just gonna...
Just say lemon butt again.
Lemon butt.
Lemon butt.
The word of the day is lemon butt. So I'm just gonna kind of run this around the rim and then sugar it.
Okay, here we go.
Ready to go.
You want to shake it till it's kind of really chilly.
Yeah,
you can feel it in your hand.
Your shaker
yeah.
cold.
And then and when you shake it and it gets cold, nice frosty glass like that, it gets harder to open.
Yeah, definitely. So that's what the rim of your glass is going to look like.
All right, I got it open. And since we used like fresh lemon juice, I'm going to double strain this one.
Just so there's no
little bits.
Pulp and bits and troubles in there.
So I have the strainer for this. What is this thing called? The shaker?
Yeah, strainer and the strainer.
And then a little strainer that goes with it, so.
Missed a section on my glass
here.
here.
Can't have a missed section.
No.
No. So double strain. Pour it into chilled martini glasses.
That looks good.
Try to do equal measures here. That looks pretty darn good.
Pretty darn good. Then we took some lemon peel, made a little twist just to garnish. Ours don't really want to stay twisty, but hey.
That's all right.
You know, we're not working at the Ritz or anything.
No.
So there we go. Easy peasy,
and
lemon
now we
squeezy.
I know,
I know, that was funny.
Lemon Drop Martini.
Martinis.
Our first martini of the series.
Yay.
This, what we call it, the Salute to Citrus.
Salute to Citrus.
Salute.
Cheers.
Down the hatch.
Good. Nice and icy too.
Oh, that is so yummy.
That is good.
Oh my gosh, I could drink a dozen of these.
Yeah.
Now I know why you had 3.
I know, right? Super easy.
This is actually my first lemon drop.
Is it really?
Yeah, I've never had one.
Your first ever lemon drop in your whole life? I have sugar in the corners of my mouth. So, very lemony. The sugar rim kind of cuts that like tartness of the lemon.
You can't really taste much of the alcohol. I get just enough to know that there's alcohol in it. So this one would be dangerous.
Yeah, very awesome.
If you like
I can
lemonade,
taste the alcohol just a little bit.
But if you like lemonade, this is the one.
Yeah, this is a really nice one.
Yes.
Awesome. So here we have Lemon Drop Martini.
So I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I'll post the recipe that we used down below if you guys want to recreate this for yourselves. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so that you can see new martinis every single Monday. And leave us a comment down below.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
That's good.